How to fix PS5 error installing game. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error when you're trying to install a game, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been playing a specific game on PS5, or maybe you just try to download or install something from a disk, it's having error installing the game, what are some of the ways you can fix it? First things first, just head over to your settings, go to network, go to settings and set up internet connection, and make sure that your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, whatever else is actually working just fine. Once you make sure that your internet or your LAN cable is also working fine, the next thing you're having issue installing the game is due to lack of space or storage. So go to storage problem over here, go to console storage, check if you have enough storage. As you can see, I have 143 gigabytes still free on my console, so I should be able to download games within that specific gigabytes range. If this doesn't help either, then what you can just try to do is you can just try to go ahead and then re-download that game. So if the problem was happening with this game, hit the options button here and then make sure to click the delete option, and when you click the delete option, just try to reinstall the game from the CD drive or maybe from your PlayStation Store. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.